National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, until 3 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Nakina, or 15 miles south of Whiteville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Tabor City, Chebourne, Bethel, Lake Waccamaw, Fair Bluff, Freeland, Hallsboro, Nakina, Redbug, Exum, Bug Hill, Southeastern Community College, Williams, Honey Island, Cherry Grove, Old Dock, Molly, Sydney, and Clarendon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern North Carolina. The following message